Hi, I'm Noble with Classical Conversations, and I'm here to tell you about our Challenge B program.
So, a while back, I was kicking it in ancient Greece, and I was talking to this ninja scientist named Archimedes, and he says, "What does education look like in your time?" So I say, we do this program called Classical Conversations, which uses some of the same educational principles the Greeks did. Just like you, we believe that education is a matter of discipline, over and above information. In fact, our program for approximately 13-year-olds is all about discipline. For example, they study Latin. They're practicing discipline and memorizing the vocabulary and grammar rules, so that even if they never speak Latin again, they're building up good habits of mental focus that can apply later to other languages or anything else they want to learn. In literature, they furnish their minds with examples of what a disciplined person looks like as they read about literary characters and participate in class discussions about them. They learn the basic building blocks of persuasive essay writing, which is hard work now, but is going to yield benefits in future years of writing and thinking clearly. In logic, they study the laws of good reasoning that your people developed, so they can learn to consider new ideas in an orderly and thorough manner. And by spending a whole year on it now, they'll be ready to tackle those tougher subjects like philosophy, theology, and advanced literature. In debate, they have class discussions about current events, exercising their logic skills and practicing discipline to remain impartial and honest. They also put on an end-of-year mock trial presentation, which requires them to memorize and rehearse their case for weeks and to stay focused when performing it. In math, they study pre-algebra. And even more than the discipline it takes to study this material, they see discipline modeled in the orderly rules that numbers and operations invariably follow. In science, they'll read about scientists and astronomers and learn from the disciplined approach they took in their discoveries. They'll also be building up a base of knowledge for future studies in science and history. See, just like in your time, classical education is about connecting the past to the present and building up a toolbox of mental skills for the future.
Eureka! He said. Classical education is not just about subject matter, it's about cultivating virtue. In the case of Challenge B, that virtue is discipline. Students are going to learn not just the information they need for this year, they're also undergoing formation to become disciplined students in the high school years of Challenge 1 through Challenge 4, and hopefully disciplined and virtuous adults. Thank you for watching. We believe every child is uniquely and wonderfully made, and that parents can be their best teachers from birth through high school. Click these links to learn more about our programs and about classical education, or check out our website to find a Classical Conversations community near you.